This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the New York AM session. Today is July 25th, 2025. I am currently waiting for a potential long position in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I'm seeing here on the 15-minute chart. So down here on the 15-minute chart, I'm seeing this Fibonacci retracement here. This is my dealing range. So with this being a high back here, and then putting a low in here this morning after the, let's say after midnight. This blue line here is midnight New York. So I'm looking at this as the range, and as this sell side delivery comes in here, looking for price to be delivered back to the buy side. So now trading in an area of discount in the overall range, or let's say dealing range, and then an area of premium divided by this equilibrium here. So now looking at Bitcoin trading in an area of discount and wanting to price back into an area of premium. Looking at a target of this 15-minute swing high right here for liquidity. As you can see, price action sold down to this level here, and this morning here in this candle, this was swept here. So I'm looking for a draw on liquidity to the buy side here this morning. And then this is just a divider line for this would be 8 a.m. New York time. And then these orange lines that you see here, these are my swing levels for the previous session, with this being the previous session swing high, and this being the previous session swing low. So I put these price levels here in case any of these levels get swept, but I don't anticipate that happening today. Could happen, but my trade is a bit different. So if we come up here to the 5-minute, this is my immediate range right here of what price action is trading in. So this is this sweep that I mentioned here. This is represented here in this 5-minute chart, and since then, and this set up during the London kill zone here, which would be silver bullet kill zone, which would be between 1 and 2, and I believe there's a macro that extends until 210. So what you get here is you get this buy side delivery. First you get the sell side. Then you get this buy side delivery here, and in this buy side delivery, there's a fair value gap that's created right here, and then you can see this candle here trades down into it. So if I would have traded the London session, this would have been my entry here, and then you can see from there price action, buy side delivery, sell side delivery, consolidation. Buy side consolidation, puts in another fair value gap here, and then just continued buy side delivery here, and then price consolidated here. Now we're getting sell side consolidation, sell side, some consolidation here, and now I'm waiting for a return to sell side, and take an entry here at this fair value gap that formed here. Price traded back into it here in this area, but just barely. So I'm going to wait for another entry back into it to target this swing high here, the liquidity. There will be buy side liquidity resting above this 15-minute high that I want to target. This purple line that you see here, this is the 8:30 or the this is the 8:30 a.m. New York price, and this yellow dotted line, this is the midnight New York open price. So two prices, one for the economic data event here, that happens at 8:30, and then here just being the midnight open. So I'm using these lines. I would imagine I would only need one of them a day, but I put both of them up. And based on my bias, I will choose which one that I want to choose, or I will choose the one that's more appropriate. And I may go down to just one of them, but this is again based off the ICT 2022 model. But that essentially breaks down this 8:30 level and this midnight level. If you're long bias, wanting to use the higher one, which in this instance I'm long bias, so I want to use this one. If you're short bias, wanting to use the lower one. I've not heard any distinction on which one. You just want to use the more appropriate one for your trading scenario. So since I'm long, I'm using this 8:30 level, and what I want to see is price trade below it, which is what it is currently doing here, and for the most part in this area here. So I want to see price trade below that level, and then I'm focused on this fair value gap entry here, and then I am my stop loss is just below this swing low here for the fair value gap series of candles here, and as I mentioned, the take profit pull up down here on the 15-minute is this 15-minute swing high here. That is in an area of premium here on the dealing range. So this is my trade setup. I believe this trade idea is somewhere close to it's almost a 5-to-1 reward to risk ratio if I'm able to get an entry and take profit on this trade. So right now, getting closer to approaching a potential entry here for a long. Price trading here around 115, 600 and 115, 550. Trading in that range currently, consolidating around the 115, 580 level. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle and 15-minute candle. Trading near the 115.550 level currently. Seeing sell side delivery in this 5 and 15-minute candle. Consolidation here. And new 5 and 15-minute candles. Initially getting some buy side delivery here, 115.620. Price consolidating here around the 115.620 level. I'm getting some sell side delivery here, 115.600. And price still consolidating here. And buy side delivery, 115.680. $115,700. Now sell side delivery, 115,580. Sell side delivery with speed here. 115,580. Price consolidating. 115,620. 115,600. 115,620. Price still consolidating here. Overall, seeing buy side delivery here in this current 5 and 15-minute candles, with lots of consolidation here. Price currently trading at the 115,620 level. $115,580 sell side delivery. $115,520. Putting in a new 15-minute low. And entry, and price now reaching the open price at midnight. And price consolidating here around the 115,350 level. I was able to get an entry at 115,458.4. Price still consolidating here, and 115,300 sell side delivery. And back to 115,300, 115,400 buy side delivery with speed here. 115,450. 115,420, 115,400 price consolidating here. 115,420, 115,400, 115,380, 115,350, back sell side delivery, 115,400, consolidating. $115,520 buy side delivery. 115,550. Consolidating. 115,520. 115,550. Price consolidating here, 115,500. $115,520. Let's see here. Let's go take a look at history here. This was yesterday. This is today. So 8/17 here. 115,680. 16, 17, 8/17. Getting buy side delivery here. Price consolidating here, 115 at 620, 115, 650 here. Alright, annotate my journal here. What was my risk on this one? Around 395. Okay, so 46. 4.75 to 1. Okay. Price still consolidating here, 115, 620. $115,650. Price still consolidating here. And getting some sell side delivery here. 115,550, 115,520, 115,500. Sell side delivery here with some speed. And price showing a small reaction at the 115,500 level. 115,520. Less than 1 minute remaining in this 5-minute candle. 115,550, 115,580, 115,600 buy side delivery here with speed. 115,620 consolidating. 115,650, 115,680. And consolidating here. Sell side with speed, 115,580, 115,550. So getting some sell side delivery here at the close of this 5-minute candle. Candle still closed just slightly bullish here, and getting consolidation at the opening of this next 5-minute candle. Price trading at the 115,550 level. 115,580. Consolidating. $115,600. 115,620, 115,550, 115,650, 115,680, so price has put in a new 5-minute high. Price consolidating. 115,580. 115,520. 115,500. So interesting, just noticing that my entry currently is pretty much where I would have taken entry if I would have traded the London session kill zone here for the silver bullet. So price is just above where I would have taken an entry. $115,550, getting some buy side delivery. $115,600, getting some buy side with speed here. And sell side with speed, getting some consolidation here. So Bitcoin showing some volatility currently. And sell side delivery with speed, 115,480, 115,500. Price consolidating, 115,520, 115,580, 115,600. Buy side delivery with speed, 115,620. Showing a lot of volatility here. 115,650. Price consolidating. So as I'm getting used to this system, keeping sizes small here, 115,620, 115,600 consolidating, 115,580. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5 and 15-minute candles. Price consolidating with some volatility. 115,550 currently. $115,500, $115,480, $115,450, $115,500, $115,520, $115,550. New 5 and 15-minute candles. 115,580, 115,600. Getting some buy side here initially. 115,620. Interested to see if there is a breakout of this kind of flat top level that's been forming here. Bitcoin showing volatility here, but yet to show its directional intention here. Since this current sell side delivery, 115,520, 115,500 consolidating. So showing volatility and indecision in this area, price action wise. Now sell side delivery with speed, 115,450, 115,420, consolidating. $115,480, $115,500, consolidating. 115,580. 115,600. Buy side delivery with speed here and consolidating. 115,550. 115,520. 115,500 again. Sell side delivery. 115,450. 115,400. More sell side delivery here. 115,280. Sell side with speed here. 115,320. 115,300. Getting some consolidation here. 115,250. And getting some sell side here. Could be getting stopped out. And getting buy side 115,320. Price trading back into the fair value gap area. 115,300. $115,250. Seeing the sell side delivery after price was having a very difficult time being delivered above this level, and now seeing an aggressive sell side delivery here. Getting some buy side delivery. 115,320. 115,350. 115,380. Seeing a return to buy side delivery here. 115,400, 450, 115,500, buy side delivery with speed. 115,520, consolidating with volatility. Price trading near my entry price currently, 115,450. Entry price 115,458.4. Price trading now 115,400. Consolidating here. And new 5-minute candle. I'm getting consolidation now. Buy side delivery. 115,450. 480. Getting some buy side delivery here. $115,520. Potentially the pricing algorithm may have delivered price to the sell side in order to attract more buyers, potentially. More buy side delivery here, 115,550. And buy side delivery with speed here. And consolidation. So price delivery showing some interest in moving to the buy side here after the previous 5-minute candle sell delivery, getting some consolidation here. So getting off to a slow start here with this entry, but off to a start nonetheless, and the trade has experienced minimal drawdown, but is now trading in my direction again, and if all goes well, we'll continue to trade in my direction. But I imagine that whatever is going to happen in this position is going to take some time. Even if I do get stopped out, it's going to have to work to get past this level that just reacted here. But getting a return to sell side delivery now. So this could be the stop out coming in now, potentially, or this could be the pricing algorithm trying to attract more buyers here. So too early to tell as price is consolidating here in this area near my entry here. So we'll see if price can deliver itself out of this range, preferably to the long side here. $115.280 currently. Price testing the previous 5-minute low. And sell side delivery here. Consolidation. So not the type of reaction that I want to see trading into a fair value gap. I want to see a potentially stronger reaction with price moving away from the fair value gap. But it looks like this price wants to consolidate below the fair value, or consolidate at and around the fair value gap, and potentially just trade through it on the low side and stop me out here. But still, no idea where this price action might lead, except for I'll either get stopped out relatively quickly here, or price action will slowly return to the buy side here. Looks like a new 5-minute low has been put in. So short of, I would imagine here, price is going to either want to sweep liquidity here, this sell side liquidity here, and potentially this sell side liquidity here, and then move up, or it could just decide to move up here. So price can move down to move up, or price can just decide to move up if it's satisfied what it wants to what it wants to achieve here. But with any liquidity that was in the market in any of this area taken out here, and then a little exclamation point here, there will be some sell side liquidity resting here. But if this liquidity is rated here, I don't know how much liquidity would be down here. It would be. It was just swept. So I don't know if the algorithm would want to sweep that again. But either way, running short on time here for the live here. So if all goes well, this order block here will hold, and price will be delivered back to the buy side here, especially if this candle stops here and puts in a wick. If not, then I will shortly find myself stopped out and find myself being sell side liquidity here. But this is on tilt trading with today's New York AM session. We'll see you.